G'day guys, it's Aleks and
Reuben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you the long-awaited 2026 Perth Mint rectangular gold and silver dragons. So
here they are, Aleks. Well, maybe not really.
Look at it, all the glory, Rubes. Look at that. Whoa. Well, they will be up for pre-order. But yeah, they've finally been released. It's normally out in the earlier part of the year, so we've been waiting a while for them. And I don't know about you, Rubes, but I really like this design. It looks really cool on screen, and I can't wait to see what it translates on the actual coin.
Yeah, the 2025, it was a bit more of it was almost attacking us. It felt like very 3D kind of facing us, but a bit more of the traditional 2D wraparound style there, with the almost some long tendrils at the front there, a very Chinese dragon. This is completely separate to the lunar dragon, things like that. This is just the yearly rectangular dragon that they do.
Absolutely, the royal dragon with the 5 claws. So yeah, let us know what you think about the design, but they'll be up for pre-order.
We're estimating about 2 weeks on those pre-orders, just to give you a bit
from
of a
the time of the video release.
Yes,
so.
yeah. But yeah, always the fun of release day. Sometimes we've got them, sometimes we don't. This one got to wait a little bit, but still very cool to have them finally.
Pretty excited
released.
they're finally being released. That's what I'm excited about. So yeah, like I said, let us know what you think about the design. Always good to see what others are thinking, especially in comparison to last year. So let us know and see you in the next video.